What's up, you guys? It's Sean. So it's been a few weeks since I filmed my last video, which was the Yebba Evergreen vinyl unboxing. And I asked at the end if you guys wanted a part 2 where I would actually take the plastic off of the record disc itself and possibly play it on my record player for you guys to hear. And I got a couple requests to do it, so that's what this video is. I don't have my nice camera, I don't have my tripod, but we're gonna make it work. So if you haven't watched that video, go watch it. And if you just came from that video, then we were right about here. This is the Yebba 7-inch single for Evergreen. It's two-sided. Side A has Evergreen and side B has Evergreen Acoustic, which from my knowledge is only on this vinyl. I believe there's also a printed little hand letter from Yebba, and we're gonna open it and see that right now. So here we go. The corner's already a little bit coming open right there. So that's where I'm gonna start it. There's no hype sticker or anything on this record, so we can just dispose of the plastic. Here we go. It's shiny, kind of in this front part, and then this outer, also grayish black border is a little bit more matte. Feels very vintage in a way, just by the way it's printed. And I know she was like inspired by some type of artist for this cover here. That's kind of an edited version of the Evergreen single cover that's on Spotify, Apple Music, and all of that. As you can see on the back, this is actually an opening where you can see the record peek out. And Plantoon, which is the company, is kind of on this like holographic. Here we go. That's the back. This is the front. Here we go. So there's another inner sleeve. Oh, this is actually a card. The card, the little opening that I thought was the record. Like I thought this was the inside of the record. This is actually a separate card. Has a little graphic on the back, and there's the letter. This was totally worth the extra video. So this is a letter. It actually looks like it's addressed to her mother. It says, "Dear Mama, every time this record spins, I can loosen my grip and let you go again. It still makes me sick, but I know that's what you'd want. So I hope you're somewhere dancing my Evergreen." Signed by Yebba. That's her little initial, artist initial there. And then there's the actual record that I was looking for, right in the inner sleeve. And sorry if I'm holding this wrong. I know record collectors get very mad. But here it is. Side A, Evergreen, and side B, Evergreen Acoustic. There's a really kind of cool floral. Should we give it a listen?
Kiss my penny and I threw it. I prayed I'd keep my soul. Went down to the river where the water ran. The only place I know. Oh, I can't say
So that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching part 2. I know it was really short, but some of you requested it, so here it is, and I hope you enjoyed the full Yebba Evergreen unboxing. I hope Dawn comes out her album on vinyl so I can do an unboxing of that. You can also check out my social media. My Instagram, my TikTok, and my Twitter will be on the screen, and you can follow me there. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye.
Watch 'em make it break it down.